Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is one of the person told that yeah basically earthquake, where the earthquake is basically currently basically earthquake came basically. Then he told that basically just now basically the earthquake came in Karnataka. Then basically the earthquake came in Meghalaya. Then basically Kashmir Sea basically, Uttaranchal Sea basically. Like this, one of the person told that why this earthquake basically are coming. Then he told that basically I have already discussed it long before basically. Then he told that yes, basically that stories, no, basically yes, exactly, basically that stories of the 22 blood groups basically. Then he told that basically, well, then again back to this discussion basically, that is University of Oxford basically. They are basically telling that basically this is the word basically between the team basically you can discuss. So one of the person told that basically यार आजकल तो मतलब बोलने के भी पैसे हो गए. Few people says that basically if we speak na basically we take this much money basically. This connects to here basically. This connects to here basically. This connects to here basically. Directly it's connecting to here basically. See basically. This many words combination in this many buildings. This many buildings. This many projects. These projects basically are done here only basically. That is here. This group basically filters here basically. Then only basically this group basically gets the projects. So to get project also basically there are lots of things basically. So words combination. Then basically the employees. Then basically the power supplies. And then basically the buildings of the binary data. This building is already there and this building is also there. And this basically human blood cells, that is basically each human basically have. So this connects to this multiplied by this. Then basically this 22 blood groups. This includes in this basically. So this all combination basically will not fit into the calculator. That calculator is equal to what basically? That calculator is equal to Mumbai infrastructure basically. That is called as a Mumbai infrastructure. That is basically called as a Mumbai infrastructure basically. So that infrastructure basically is this basically, which is created by Mumbai businessman basically. They have created this for the companies basically. And this company basically, the group basically who are the USA, American, they basically see the infrastructure first. That's why basically the people basically say that na basically we basically are seeing the infrastructure, according to that basically we will do the investment. And the city basically people who are basically into who want to get the business basically, they first create the infrastructure basically. Then only basically they say that basically yes basically we will get the investment from the companies basically. Because reason is this basically, that is this basically. That means lots of people says that ये तो नया नया बताया तुमने. It's not new basically. It's not new basically. It's very old only basically. But that time people basically who are basically the Congress group, before Congress group, they have created this all basically. And they have created on the base of certain level of discussion with certain level of countries basically. They are not basically created directly basically. Because they are also not God basically. They also basically done the discussion with set of groups basically. And then basically they are done, created basically. So Mumbai infrastructure basically is created nowadays. And on the base of this infrastructure basically, this group basically gets the project, and then basically the projects basically starts here basically. Then basically the project starts here. So like these basically things are basically there. So this basically never connects to the calculator only basically. So see 3 lakh 70 3 lakh 50,000 multiplied by 12,000 multiplied by this 12 lakh, sorry 12,000 crore, then basically 20 lakh, 12 lakh crore, 20, no, sorry 12,000 crore, 30,000 buildings, 13,000 buildings. See basically 6 crore 22. See, basically calculator is not going to shoot, it's going to connect to the binary language. So in that, basically the binary language infrastructure is basically there basically. So binary level infrastructure basically, in others basically we can add, or basically we will add binary level infrastructure. 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 So this same way basically, this is Mumbai infrastructure. Same way Bangalore. Pune infrastructure. Vadodara infrastructure. Then Ahmedabad infrastructure. Surat infrastructure. Then basically the Gujarat infrastructure. Then in entire India, basically India infrastructure. So just see basically up to what level the things basically has connected. So see basically the Mumbai infrastructure is this. They are doing the discussion of the projects basically. So to do the discussion basically, see the infrastructure basically created basically. So one of the person told that basically digital world basically is there. There basically more things are going to create. You have to create more basically infrastructure there basically. That is the computer level infrastructure basically. That is software industry infrastructure basically. So this connects to one more basically data, that is software infrastructure. Software infrastructure. Software infrastructure. Software infrastructure. So this is very dangerous basically. That's why basically lots of people basically who created the infrastructure, they gets afraid basically when the earthquake basically comes, because it's directly affecting to the infrastructure basically, then the business also basically. Then one of the person told that basically then why basically you are creating problem to the environment basically. That also things basically also people says that basically if you are creating the infrastructure that's okay basically, but you are creating the problem to the the environment also basically. Lots of people says that also basically. So that comes to the environment level basically data basically. So creation though we have to do basically, but you have to handle the environment also basically. So up to what tough basically, it's very tough basically to create one city basically. Not tough basically, very tough basically. See the combination, see basically. This is not going to connect to the calculator also basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a different one.